Hi guys, today we're at a project we just completed in Castle Hill where we did a luxury home renovation. Come with me, let's have a walkthrough. The clients recently bought a home in Castle Hill. They wanted to complete the project before a traditional festival and also had a trip booked. What we did was we kept them up to date the whole 2 weeks they were on holidays and made sure to finish before the timeline given so they're able to celebrate Diwali at home. Here we removed a few structural walls for the clients to give a more open plan finish. We also changed their 2-door sliding door into a larger 4-door bifold door, as well as adding an alfresco structure and decking to give a more inclusive indoor and outdoor area for the family to enjoy overlooking their pool. Rather than having a temporary color bond structure, we wanted to have a more permanent structure. So using timber panels as well as downlights in the fan, we created a more usable permanent alfresco area for the family to enjoy. We added a new butler's pantry for the family to enjoy, as well as a sink and utilizing natural sunlight. We also wanted to add custom joinery so it would be usable for the family. In this space, the clients previously had a lot of dead space, which wasn't that utilizable for their family. They had sort of a powder room and a bathroom which wasn't that usable. So what we did was we created en-suites with every bedroom in the house for them and their children to utilize. The clients wanted to not only renovate their home, but also add value. To do this, they made their home a 5-bedroom, 3-bathrooms home in Castle Hill. The clients wanted to use different feature walls in each bathroom to make their family home a lot more personal and unique. For the wardrobes, the clients wanted to utilize custom joinery to better utilize the spaces for their family home. We changed the flooring of their full home to give a seamless finish and also did the painting of their home so it's ready to move in.